Good morning, students. As you know, you are having PT2, that is the test on all subjects. So for EVS, the syllabus is second and third lesson of EVS 1, and the second, that is the 2.1 for EVS 2. Okay, so total 3 lessons for this test. So students, we have already finished the revision of lesson 2, that is the digestive system. Okay, so today we are revising third lesson, that is excretory system. Already we have studied in detail, but now you are having exam, so today just we revise the lesson. Okay, what points we have studied, what we have learned, what is the definition, what is the process. Okay, shall we start? I think you will be this video will be helpful for you for revision. Okay, after this video you read out whole lesson, and after that revise question answer. Okay, so students, shall we start the revision? Okay, so excretory system. System means some organs or some person, some whatever, something more than one coming together and doing same work, or for the any purpose of they are doing the work. Okay, so aim of that all organ is same, they are doing together work. Then that organs they are doing together work is called that system. We have already studied digestive system. Okay, in that what we have studied, that some organs means which are mouth, food pipe, then stomach, liver, small intestine, large intestine, anus. All that organ coming together and doing one work. What is the purpose of that? They want digest the food. Okay, same like that excretory system. Some organs coming together and doing some work for excretion. Okay, now what is meant by excretion? Excrete means some anything that going out. Excrete. Okay, now proper definition of excretion is, see, the waste from our body removing, that process is called excretion. Means removal of waste from the body is called excretion. Now many ways for that. Okay, first we studied excretion. After that I will tell you about other organ for excretion. Okay, so now all of you understood what is meant by excretion. Now excretory system, the organs which helping to removing waste out of the body is called excretory system. Okay, now which organs doing that work? First one is a pair of kidneys. How it looks like? It is bean shaped structure, and it is in the form of pair, means two kidney are present. Okay, so what we have to call together? A pair of kidneys, and it is bean shaped. And one another thing, they are about size of fist. Okay, like that. Now next is a pair of ureter. Now the next part is urinary bladder. The bean shaped structure is kidney. Then pipe like structure which connect the urinary bladder. Urinary bladder is balloon like, bag like structure. Okay, and second part is a pair of ureter. It is the pipe like structure which connect kidney and urinary bladder. So now what is urinary bladder? So next part is urinary bladder. It is bag-like structure as I have told you. Okay, when it fills with urine, it will be expands. So it is balloon shape. Okay. Now next is urethra. It is the opening of excretory system which removes the waste out from the body. Okay. So here we have finished the organ of excretory system. Now the process of excretion. Okay. How it is happening? Right. So in the process of excretion, as you know, blood travels in our body. Okay, some impure blood and pure blood is present in our body. One organ which is specific doing that function, that is filtration of blood. Okay, that organ is kidney. Okay, the kidney is filtered the blood throughout the day, which doing the function or which doing the work throughout the day. Now how much time require for filtration? So 45 minutes for the kidney to purify all the blood of the body. Okay, so after that liquid waste come out from the urethra. That all the process of excretion. In the starting of the video, I have told you excretory system. So some organs which doing the process of excretion other than that 4 organs. Okay, kidney, urethra and the urinary bladder. So the other organs are skin and lungs. Now how it doing the excretion? Through the skin. As you know, you feel when in the summer, how you feel? Okay, like sweating. That water comes out from the skin in the form of sweat. So it is also excretion. That is the excretion through the skin. Now lungs. Excretion through the lungs. When we breathe, what we are taking? Yes, it's correct. Okay, when we breathing, we intake the oxygen and what we are doing? So when we breathing, we intake the oxygen from the air and at the same time the carbon dioxide out from the body. So it is also excretion. Now next part we have studied that kidney stones. I have showed you picture of kidney stone like that. See it is the kidney stones. Now how it appear in our body? When the excess of salt or water or minerals inside the body, inside the kidney, the structure is formed. Okay, it may be small size, it may be like the pea size also, but when it will be pea size, then we feel stomach pain. Okay, now why it is happening? If we are not drinking the water as our body need, that time the digestion process and excretion process is not working properly. So that's why it appears. Excess of salt and minerals, the kidney stones formed. Okay, so what we have to do? We have to take enough water for our body. Okay, so today we have revised which points? First, excretion, process of definition of excretion, excretory system, which organs we have studied. That is a pair of kidney, a pair of pipe-like structure, ureter, then sac-like structure or balloon shape, it is urinary bladder. Last one, opening of that urethra, then the process of excretion, then excretion through the lungs, excretion through the skin. Okay, and the last part is kidney stone. Okay, so today you revise the whole lesson, read the whole lesson. Okay, thank you.